Hi, it's me again, Steve Krueger, down here in my studio basement. And today is going to be episode number 2 in my YouTube series on how to draw the face. Episode number 1 was always start with the eyes. This episode coming up, it's going to be fun. I'm going to be demonstrating just some tips that I learned along the way on how to draw the face. So away we go. Okay, let's get right to it. This is coming up episode number 2, and I'm going to be demonstrating how I created this woman's face. But you might be wondering, what about episode number 1? Well, if you haven't checked it out, episode number 1 is how I demonstrated creating these eyes. Let me get back now to find episode 1. Go to my YouTube site, The Art of Watercolor, and I had a lot of fun creating these eyes, demonstrating, showing you just how the structure to the eyes, and it's a lot of fun. So, episode 2, what I'm trying to impart is with the face, everything is placement. Where do I place the nose? Shorter, longer, the lips, the ears, things like that. So, grab yourself a ruler, a pencil, and an eraser, and let's go. Okay, here we go. Now, question number 1, where do we put the nose? How do we figure out where to put the nose in reference to this lady's face? And that's what I'm going to demonstrate right now. Now, again, I think I've mentioned this. No two faces are the same. One eye might be a little bit bigger than the other. One ear might be a little lower. Some eyes are a little closer. Some are a little wider. So I'm just giving you benchmarks to get you comfortable creating a face. So what I'm doing, I'm measuring from the tip of her eye. Let's go in here. Tip of her eye to the tip of her other eye, right here. So I'll mark that. And that is going to give you, let's get back, a reference. Now this is just general. Some noses are longer, some are shorter. Just try this method and get used to drawing a face, and then play around. Make the eyes closer, make the nose longer, whatever. But here's where I'm going to put the nose, right here. So she's got a perky little nose. I might make it a little wider, I don't know. So the nose is going to be right here. And now lots of ways to do noses, but this is just the easiest if you're just starting on this. Okay, we've got our nose, and let's see. Now we're going to do, what are we going to do? We're going to do the face. I'm going to determine where the chin goes. And that'll be fun. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So the chin. I'm going to measure from the outer part of the eye to the outer part of the eye right over here, and going to mark it. Okay, you put the ruler right along the eyelash line right here, and here is going to be the chin right there. So, of course, you want the nose right in the middle. That's off maybe a little bit, but that's okay. Chin right down here. All right, now should we put the mouth in? Nah, we're going to draw the chin. Be back. Okay, next step, we're going to draw the face. We're going to look at the structure of the face where it breaks right here and creates the chin. But before we do that, let me zero in here. We've got to determine just how wide we want the face, how wide the face is. So she's looking directly at you, so that means this space will be the exact of this space. Now she's looking to her right. Then of course this opens up here, and this, of course, this disappears, this cheek disappears over here. Don't worry about that. This is going to be on episode 3. I'm going to show you how to create faces looking left or right. So what's she doing? She's looking to her right. So here we go. You measure. What I do is measure from the half of an eye. Let me show you that. Let me zero in. Whether the eye is closed, open, wide, whatever, I just pick basically the half of the eye, like so, and I make a mark at the end of the eye, where the eye ends on this side here. Make a mark right there. And again, this is just a benchmark. Some faces are wider, whoops. Some are narrower. I messed that up. So we put the mark right there. And come over here. And make it right there. So there we have our benchmark. Her face is going to be this wide on each side, and we're going to bring it down to the chin. And then we'll put the mouth in. So be right back. Okay, now let's take a look at her chin. It's kind of square. That's kind of a neat chin. I like that. Doesn't come to a real point. So let's make her chin kind of like that. So we can either go up, we can go down. Now this is hard. This is getting this side of the face exactly like this side of the face. This is about the toughest part of drawing the face, looking at you. But here we go. We'll give it a try. Oh, I think we better put the mouth in, because the jawbone right here, this is where it breaks. So let's put the mouth in. And this, you just kind of look at the distance there, kind of wing it. Let's see, we'll put the right there. Mouth ends right, whoop, let's get in here. Mouth ends right about at the eyeball. So comes down, that's good. That's good. We'll give her a little smile. And we'll give her a real pouty lip. Okay, that's kind of fun. See how I did that? One little loop or cup here, one smaller cup. Let's get in here. One little cup or a cup here, a smaller cup, kind of a little dimple, and there you have the mouth. Okay, what do we got? So I'm going to take a break, going to have a smoke. Okay, time to draw the face. So let's take a look at this young lady. Now, let's see this. It doesn't go straight down, it curves, and right at the crease of the mouth, that's where the jaw is, it breaks. So if you're right-handed, this will be the easy part. Coming over here, trying to emulate this side, that's going to be tough. So we're going to give it a shot. Let me get my eraser in case I mess up. So here we go. We're going to angle it in just a little bit, and then right here we're going to break it. So coming down. Okay, that's pretty cool. Now, doing that exact thing over here, that's the hard part. So here we go. Comes down just a little, or in just a little, and right here it breaks. What do you think? Okay, broke there, broke there. This is a little higher than this. Who cares? You get the idea. Practice, practice, practice. Now, let's see, ears. Oh yeah. Let's look at this lady. Her ear, start of her ear goes up like this, comes down just about to the nose. So, ear is going to come down right about here, and it's going to come, oh, wait a minute. The ear is going to come up like this and come down to about here. So here we go. That's kind of cool. Put your little squiggly thing in here. Bingo, you got an ear. Give her an earring if you want, whatever. So let's do the same thing. Make a dot over here. Ear goes up, out. Whoops. Kind of a point here. Let's do that. Yeah, that came out too far. Yeah, that's good enough. Squiggly thing. Okay. Neck kind of right there, kind of right here. And right there. All right. Then you can mess around with the ear, put these little, whatever it's called, little things in like so. That's a pretty good face. Okay, next we're going to we're just going to put in some hair real quick and probably call it quits. Now we have to put in some hair, and I'm just going to put that in kind of loose. We're not going to spend too much time. You can give her short hair, long hair, whatever. That's up to you. So let's just check this lady out. Top of her head to her chin. Okay. With this measurement, it's 4 inches from the top of her head to her chin. I don't know if you can see that, but right here. So, of course, you divide 4, come up 2 inches is where your median line or middle line comes, and that is right about in the middle, equidistance with the eyes. So let's measure this. Okay, here's the middle of the eye. And, oops, wait a minute. Yeah, I don't know if you can see this, but we have 4 inches right here. So it's 4 inches from the middle of her eye down to her chin. So, middle point. Of course, we go up 4. Here's the top of her head. So look at that. That looks weird. That looks way too big, but that's the actual top of her head. I measured to the top. So her hairline comes down, and that's where you just kind of guess. Hairline like so. That might be too low. Give her bangs, whatever. So you get the idea. Let's see. Kind of go like that. Now, I'll pretty this up off camera. This comes out. But you get the idea. I'm not going to mess around, having you watch me draw hair. So we are coming to the end. And what I'm trying to impart is practice, practice, practice. It's really fun. Just get yourself some cheap typing paper, draw, and have fun with this. Video number 3, like I said, we're going to have the face turning sideways, either left or right. That's kind of fun. Right here is where you start on video number, or my episode 3. This is the key right here. You start with this. So episode number 3 is going to be fun. Hopefully you had fun with episode 2. Have a great day.